Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word exhibition and build useful phrases for the workplace. Let's practice together. Exhibition. The exhibition. The art exhibition. The art exhibition opens. The art exhibition opens tomorrow. We visit the exhibition. We visit the exhibition today. We visit the art exhibition today. The exhibition is interesting. The exhibition is very interesting. The exhibition is very interesting to us. I like the exhibition. I like the art exhibition. I like the art exhibition a lot. She talks about the exhibition. She talks about the art exhibition. She talks about the art exhibition today. We prepare for the exhibition. We prepare for the art exhibition. We prepare for the art exhibition tomorrow. The exhibition attracts many visitors. The art exhibition attracts many visitors. The art exhibition attracts many visitors today. Thank you for practicing with me. Please like, subscribe, and share VocabStick. See you again in tomorrow's video.